Macroconidia of trichophyton looks like. The Macroconidia of trichophyton looks like cylindrical or pencil shape. So they can give you, in this particular one, what they can give you? They can give you a question in which they can ask up that this particular lesion is there and we are able to isolate up the trichophyton from there. Which type of macroconidia we will see under the microscope? So answer is, on the LPCB mount you will able to see what? You will see this cylindrical macroconidia, okay, or also termed as what? Pencil shaped macroconidia. Regarding the microsporum, this one, that is termed as spindle shape. So this is what is observed in the microsporum. And epidermophyton, you have this club, pear और बोट शेप. ये सारी की सारी शेप तुम्हें पता होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, क्या क्या? क्लब शेप, बोट शेप, माइक्रोस्पोरम is spindle shape, and this particular one is cylindrical in shape. तो basically क्या है, ये dermatophytes को ना, like suppose they want to correlate it with microbiology, what they will do? They will just try to put up these pictures and they will try to like relate up with a picture. They can give you any of the fungal infection and they can relate up that this is done by this and this type of macroconidia, which type of microconidia will be seen. So that you need to know. Okay.